Welcome back, Curry Crew. Today's recipe is delicious and awesome. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So guys, before we jump into this recipe, like always, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Punch that notification bell, and let's jump into the full video. So guys, let's make some cheesy masala bread. So into a pan goes 3 teaspoons of oil, any type of oil that you would like. You can use avocado oil, olive oil, peanut oil, the list goes on. Then you're going to add in a pinch of cumin seeds and cook until they start sizzling. Then to this, you're going to add in 2 cloves worth of minced or grated garlic. Basically, you just want it to be as small as possible. Then you're going to add in 2 green chilies, nicely chopped, and also 1-inch piece of ginger, also nicely chopped. Give it all a nice little mix, and then to this you're going to add in half of an onion that is going to be chopped, and you're going to saute until your onions are nice and soft and translucent. Then you can add in 2 tomatoes, roughly chopped, and you're going to cook your tomatoes until they are soft and fully cooked. We're also going to add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of water to our pan to help the cooking process, but also to ensure that nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. After about 3 to 4 minutes, it's time to start adding in our masalas. So into this pan goes half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Give it all a nice little mix, and then to this we're going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite tomato sauce or pasta sauce, and then you're going to add in some other veggies. So into this pan goes 1 chopped carrot and half a bell pepper, also nicely chopped. Give it all a nice little mix, and then again add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of your pan. Give it a nice little mix, and then add in salt to taste, and give it one little mix. Then you're going to add in 1/4 cup of crumbled paneer, and again, mix. After about a minute or so, you can take it off the heat and set it aside for later. Make sure you don't wash out your pan or wipe your pan or anything like that, because we are going to use all the masalas that are still stuck to that pan, because the flavors are still in there. So next, take some dinner rolls or some like Indian pao or even any type of bread that you want to use, and you're going to toast this bread in the same pan using some butter or ghee. Once your bread is toasted, you can take it off the heat and it's time for assembly. So on one side of the toasted bread, we're going to add our masala veggie mix, and we're going to spread it out so it's a nice and even layer. Then on top of this, we're going to shred some cheese. So you can use pepper jack, you can use cheddar, mozzarella. If you're in India or you have access to Indian stores, you can use Amul cheese. It's all going to taste really delicious. Then you're going to top it with the other half of the toasted bread that we have. And then on top of this bread, we're going to add one more small layer of our masala mix. Not too much, you only want a tiny little bit. And you're going to top it with a bit more shredded cheese. Then you're going to place this into the oven at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until the cheese on top is melted and golden brown. So here is our final result. Let's cut into it. Oh guys, man, oh man, does that look absolutely amazing. Full of cheesy goodness. I can't wait to dig in. I'm not going to delay it any further. Enjoy, guys. So guys, hope you enjoyed the recipe. It's one of my favorites. It tastes amazing, and you're going to fall in love with it as well. So try it out at home. Let me know how it turns out, and keep on cooking.